Nokia 2100 assembly. You have to use a torque driver, metal tweezers, and SRT6. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Place speaker and buzzer gasket into their places in LCD housing. Remove protecting film carefully. Position LCD metal shield on LCD housing correctly. Check if buzzer gasket is correctly positioned. Protect LCD with a film. Tighten speaker screws. For correct torque, see 2100 service manual. Position SIM stopper to C cover. No force is required while pushing down. Position antenna. Press down carefully. Place battery connector into C cover and push it down with SRT6. Place vibromotor and microphone with tweezers. Press down microphone with SRT6. Make sure that system connector and SIM connector with twin rib is correctly positioned while assembling. Place engine module and UI module to C cover. Check position of screw holes. Tighten screws in the order shown. For correct torque, see Nokia 2100 service manual. Remove protection film before assembling A and B cover. Finally, check window for dirt, dust, or scratches.